Today I'll teach you how to use your first and second finger on your left hand to play different notes. So first, we put the viola up, as I taught you before, and secure it with your right hand. Now we're going to take our left hand and put the neck between the thumb and the index finger. So we'll place it right there. And then we use our first finger and press down the D string, just about an inch away from the nut. And then we put our second finger down on F sharp. Now when we're pressing the string, remember not to be too tense, but just to press firmly with our first and second finger. And also we use the pads of the fingers, which is right here, to press down the strings. Now one thing, if our fingernails are too long, they'll get in the way of the pitch and they'll make this metallic sound. So it's important to always trim your fingernails on your left hand so they don't get in the way of the pitch. Okay. So again, we'll put the viola up, secure it with the right hand, place it between the thumb and the index finger. So we'll start by plucking just the open D string with our index finger. Now we'll press down first finger and second finger on F sharp. And those are the first three notes of the D major scale. We have D, E, and F sharp. Again, just a reminder to make sure that your fingers are never tense, but just firmly placed down on the string. Now we're going to play a Claire de Lune using first Pizzicato. And you can play with me if you'd like. So we'll play it 2 times, starting with open D. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's play that with the bow. Again, place the bow between the fingerboard and the bridge. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's try Hot Cross Buns, first with Pizzicato. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's try that with the bow. So we start with second finger on the D string on F sharp, and we start with a down bow. And that's how you combine the bow with the first and second finger.